Okay, this is the overview of my little ZOHD Dart 250 gram. It has a SpeedyB Win install, a GPS fuxer, and a wax nail. A wax nail VTX. And there's the goggles right here. The remote ID is there installed. Let's see if I can focus. Yep. And we got 9 satellites according with this. And on my phone, on my phone we have the remote ID and where the airplane is in all times. So we have remote ID. Okay, and the information about the craft and the remote ID, where is that, where it's going. So what else I can say about it? I'm using Crossfire nano receiver. I had to remove a little bit of foam in order to shove it, the flight control right there. Okay, and the only wire that I have out is the one for the receiver that is pointing up, unfortunately. But you can even solder it in the cables instead of using pins like I did. We have a D-Shock 1200 ESC from a quad, the stock motor, the stock prop. What else? The only thing that is not installed in this is the programmer for the and the beeper for the flight controller. But other than that, everything seems to be okay up to this point. So we're gonna test it in a really, I mean, not test it because it flew before, but in a really extremely bad condition because it's bad the weather right here in Ohio. So, and for the VTX, you can see that it's plugged, and my VTX wax nail is not on. Is because I got a little on and off button for my VTX in order not to overheat it during the acquire of the GPS satellites. So, for example, and it's just a breaking point for the positive cable that goes to the VTX. So,
GPS lost. GPS good.
so when
Ready to fly. GPS lost. GPS
oh, too close.
good. Ready to fly.
So when you are the only thing that this button does is close the connection of the positive. That's it. So when I press it, like I did just a second ago, you wait a little bit because this VTX take a little time to, and there you go. It's on. And it's flashing because the goggles are not connected. But I want to turn it off. I just go like that, and the VTX is off. So I can do maintenance. I can do whatever I want. I like the Spectrum remote ID. It's a small. I'm gonna decase it eventually in order to get less weight on this baby, because I have to fly 3/4 throttles and up in order to keep it in the air, so that will help a lot. because every single gram in here just counts. Better flights for 8 minutes, and I'm happy. I can fly for more, but I don't want to push it. No, not yet. And not in this weather, absolutely. So enjoy the fly of the ZOHD Dart 250 gram, in parentheses. And oh, by the way, I have that masking tape and the wings to hold it together, because if I have a misfortune of an eventful event, then the wings will pop off without breaking the airplane. But this is temporary until the airplane flies absolutely good after the tuning and everything else. Motor have been oiled too with WD-40 and the bearings, and we'll see how it goes. Thank you. Oh, by the way, let's put the top of it, and everything is ready to go. Let's see what it does.